Alright guys, so today we're gonna work on getting the transmission and engine separated so that we can start tearing this bad boy down. And might do a mild rebuild on the transmission as well. I've heard there are a few things you can do to increase the reliability on this guy. So we might look into that while we've got everything apart. Like shift fork or something. So let's get to it. So it looks like we've got yet another fun little addition to this car. So we've got an ACT clutch, but if I'm not mistaken, that is a twin plate clutch and a brand new, maybe used once or twice, billet flywheel. So that's fun. 57 LS1. Oh, and here's so it's got a brand new throwout bearing too. And then it's got the extended bleeder, make bleeding it slightly easier. And here's that quick connect for the clutch line. Doesn't have a brand on it, so I don't know what brand that is, but it's still pretty slick. I like it. And it looks like the transmission has been opened up before. So we got some sealant here. Bell housing's definitely been off. So, yeah. I don't know if anything's been done inside the transmission yet. We might go ahead and open it up and see. I don't know. Maybe I'll try to get a hold of the previous owner and ask him if he did anything with the transmission. But yeah, so I gotta get some longer bolts because the transmission mount, or the trans bolts, will not fit the engine stand. And I need to get a 12mm 12-point socket. So yeah, I'll get this guy off of here. But sweet, that's a pretty good find right there. I can live with that. And then I gotta figure out what's leaking over here. Is that clutch fluid? Like, is the clutch leaking? Or is that oil from the rear main? I don't know. Kinda. It feels like brake fluid. Mixed with a little bit of oil, I guess. I don't know. I want to get this guy cleaned up really well before it goes back together. But fun stuff. I love finding hidden goodies. Nice. So this thing's just chock full of aftermarket parts. Say I got a heck of a deal. I got that. Yeah.